Bismillah Rahman Rahim. You are watching Ramzan Travel. In this video, I will explain how you can extend your Pakistani visa from the comfort of your home, meaning how you can increase its validity period. In this complete video, I will provide detailed information about the extension process, the required documents, how much time it takes, and the fees involved. We will cover all these details in today's video, so make sure you watch the full video. On your screen, you can see the Pakistan visa extension details, where it is clearly visible that a Chinese national has been granted a visa extension. So you can also see the duration of the extension, which is 365 days, and meaning that he can stay in Pakistan for an additional 1 year. Now let's move to the screen and see how we can apply for this visa extension online and understand the complete process. First, you need to open any browser and search for Pakistan visa login. After that, several links will appear from these results. You have to click the first link. I will pin this link in the description and also in the comment box. So when I click this, let's see what happened. Another window will appear in front of you. If you don't have any account for this website, first of all, you have to make an account. I have previously described how to make an account this website. So first of all, make an account on this website. Then you have to click login. There you see, if you don't have any account, you will click this. So I have already made an account on this website. I will enter my email, password, and this captcha. After login, you have to enter the Google Authenticator code. After verification of the Authenticator code, you have to accept the terms and condition. Just scroll down and click accept and continue. After that, the main window of Pakistan visa website is in front of you. There you can see the main two tabs, existing applications and new application. At the bottom, you can see that many applications have been successfully proceeded from our account. So if you want to contact us, you can find our number in the bio. So I will click new visa application. After that, you have to select the Pakistan visa because you are not applying for exit permit. I will click Pakistan visa. There is asking about the nationality. So I will select my nationality as United Kingdom. And this is a question about have you ever applied before, because it will extract your data from the previous application. If you have already applied, then you will click yes. Otherwise, you will click no. So I will select no, and then I will click start application. As per your case, first of all, you have to select the visa category under which you enter the Pakistan. I will select family visit. Visa subcategory, I will also select family visit. Application type, there you have to select very carefully. You are not applying for entry visa, you are applying for extension. So visas type, I will select multiple entry up to 1 year. Okay, you have to select the visit purpose. I will select extension. Allowed visa duration, I will select 1 year. Okay, then you have to select your country. I will select UK, and you have to select the Pakistani embassy in UK. So for example, I will select Bradford. Entry port in Pakistan, I will select Islamabad airport. You have to select as per your ticket. So it's asking about last arrival date. So I will select for example, I entered in Pakistan on 10th March 2026. That was 4th January 2027. There you have to enter your passport number. I will select some dummy data, and passport type, I will select ordinary. Issuing authority, I will select enter the for example, I will enter UK. Passport country, United Kingdom, and issue date of your passport. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months. So I will enter the expiry date. Okay, do you have any other passport or travel document? I will select no, and then I will click save. Now you see that the application fees is displayed, that is $20. So next I have to enter personal information. I have to enter last name and given name, or country of birth. I will select, for example, my country of birth is Pakistan. I will select my date of birth. So this is my date of birth. Place of birth, I will select, for example, Lahore. Then remember, this question is not mandatory because it does not have a red asterisk. So I will leave this as it is. This is mandatory. I will select my gender, marital status. I'm single. Address in UK, not in Pakistan. So and this one is also not mandatory. So leave this. I will enter my email address. So you can enter your email address. Okay, and it's asking about your phone number. It's not mandatory. Mobile number is mandatory. I enter my number. You can contact me on this number. 8881692. Okay. And present nationality, you have your nationality acquired by birth or naturalization. I will select naturalization. Do you have any other nationality? I will say no, and then I will click save. Nationality, and you have to select the nationality of your father. Traveling with you, I will say no, and then I have just simply click add member. There you see the data of my father has been entered. Now I will enter my mother data. So first of all, I will select my mother name. I will write Fatima. I will select the nationality as Pakistan. Traveling with you, no, and I will click add member. So I have entered some dummy information. You have to select as per your case. Then I will click save. It's very simple performer. So there you have to select your personal circumstances. I'm unemployed and I don't have any bank account in Pakistan. I will click save. Next, it's asking about travel history. Have you traveled to any other country in past 3 years? If you have traveled, then you will click yes. I will select no. Visa refusal history, I will select no. Pakistan visa history, yes. There you have to select very carefully. Have you been granted Pakistan visa before? Yes, because I'm in Pakistan and I'm applying for visa extension. So you have to just enter the date of visit, visa number, your purpose, how long you have been in Pakistan, and then you have to select the visa type under which you entered in Pakistan, where you are in Pakistan, and place of the issue. So then you have to click add visa. So I just simply click no in order to shorten this video, and I will also click this option no. Then I will click save. Carefully enter your Pakistani visa extension. Then it's asking about have you have any plan to enter Azad Jammu Kashmir? I will say no. Then it's asking about your state details in Pakistan. I will say personal. Then you have to enter the citizen number, address, and province, and contact number and district of the Pakistani sponsor person. Is your trip sponsored? I will say no. Do you have any friends or relatives in Pakistan? I will click yes and enter the my friends and relative data. In this case, I will select no. Itinerary while in Pakistan, I will click no, and then I will select save. Next, the last section has come, documents and photograph. There it's asking about 3 major documents: origin card or ID card, and birth certificate or marriage certificate. You have to select one of them. Then passport and passport. How you can upload? Just first of all, you have to select the category of the document type. Then you have to click the choosing the document. You have to click the upload. There its system is saying ID card is uploaded. Quickly, I will upload the other documents. There you see all the required documents have been uploaded. Then I will click simply save. There you see the application has been completed, and now I can review all of the information, and if I want to edit some information, I can edit, but I don't want to edit any information. I will simply proceed for the next step. I have to check this box, and then I will click save. There all the information has been entered. I will click proceed to the payment. So this is very a simple process. I will click I have read and accept payment terms and condition. Then I will click accept and continue. I would like to share an important update regarding Pakistan visa extension. Nowadays, the visa extension process is taking much longer than usual because applications are going through detailed verification procedures. Applicant have to wait for at least 40 days before receiving a final decision. So it is recommended to apply well before your visa expiry date and keep all required documents ready. So there the last process, and that is about billing information. So enter your first name, last name, email address, and your number, and then when you click next, you have to enter your card details, and after the payment you have to wait for at least 40 days. So keep subscribe our channel for more information. Thank you so much.